Hello, good morning, everyone. It's me, Kelvin from Round and Search. Today, we're gonna look into the day trading in KLSE. So, of course, before we start, remember to give us a like and subscribe and share our video and our YouTube channel from here. And of course, one more thing is from the Facebook site. Okay, so recently I don't know why Facebook keep on not able to connect to my OBS stream, so I'll just do it on YouTube. Okay, so let's take a look into the market right now. Like yesterday, I've shared with you guys that overall in the market, mainly the blue chips are going to have some rebounds, and some of the small cap stocks, it will have a little bit of churning stocks. Okay, some of the stocks are going to have a churning stock, keep on churning the price up higher. So those are the one that we can look into it for day trading. Okay, so I see there's one like from YouTube. Thank you very much. And let's take a look into what we can trade here today. Looking at the theoretical opening. So far today seems everything is a little bit better than last week, where there are more TO price and volume are showing up, but just that maybe not every one of it they have the match the criteria that we want. Right, Hang Seng put warrant actually goes down a lot. Goes up a lot. I'm gonna check our Hang Seng structure warrant put warrant later on. Okay, I don't see any of it that fulfills what we want. TMC, maybe. So I'm just gonna put this chart on the other side so we can have a good look about it. Price is up, basically it's churning. Not much of volume are throwing down. So it's more like they still have the intention to mark up the price. So this one, I'll just put it into my watch list first, my favorite. And the day before, I see some of the stocks that they have some prices maintained at the high side. And NY, this one. Just add all this to my favorite list first, so later on we can have a good look at it. So these are the stocks that we might not need to rush in for the deal price. Back to the theoretical most active. So 5 more minutes left to market open. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment box. Alright, so I think that's about it for... I don't know why Facebook cannot connect to it. It doesn't matter. So right now what we see from here is we have TMC Live, but TMC Live, the TO change is a lot. There's 9 cents up, which is for a penny stock, that's a little bit too much for us to look at it. Maybank X date, so we don't have to look at it. So far, from the list itself, we don't see any of the good stocks for us to look at it. So tonight, let me share with you guys again. Tonight, we will be having a webinar about how to select stock from the top active list for your short-term trade, and also how to avoid some of the stocks in the top active list so that you know how to avoid going into it. In the top active list where they are churning stocks, they are trying to attract the buyers to buy their shares and stuff like that. So these are the things that you need to avoid. If let's say you are looking into top active list, then that is what you need to look at it, because you don't want to get trapped in stocks that stay at a high price. I mean, like you enter at a high price and then you exit, and then you get trapped in a price retrace. All right, so right now we have 2 more minutes to market open. I think I'm gonna log on to this one here. This one you might need to rush in a little bit. Hmm. Oh, this one back down to 5 cents. So last minute market is starting soon. So I'm gonna look into this. So again, this is just a demonstration to show you, for those of you who have intention to look into how to do day trades. This is how we do it, okay? Purely educational purpose. All right, 55 minutes. Okay, so market starts. So did I get it? Okay, TO price at 1 ringgit. So right now we need to check and see pre-open 1 ringgit. Right now it's 955. They're being choked down. Not refill 990 here, so it seems like they have no intention to mark up so soon. Right, there's a refill, so 995 should be taking out soon. Okay, 995 clear, 995 and refill, so anytime soon they will be taking 1 ringgit. So for those of you who have missed out like yesterday or Sunday market prep, so what we are going to focus on the trading method that we are looking into it in the current market. Blue chip, some of the blue chip are doing some of the rebound. Refill looks good, but they are clearing very slow here. So need to get ready for maybe some exit here. Blue chip, some of the blue chip, they might have start to have some of the rebound. So if you are looking into some of the blue chip stocks, those that is in a higher price, or you can call it like maybe good fundamentals, you can start to look into it. They will have a little bit of price movement coming up. So those that is in those penny stocks, smaller caps or to the mid caps, those are the stocks that they will have a little bit of not all you can look into. Same thing goes to the blue chip stocks. So not all you can look into it. Some you can, some you can't. So you need to know which one to look into and have a good timing. Time which one has a better chance to move the price up higher. Where the big boys are coming in. Okay, so be careful. Not everything you can look at it. That is right. They take 1 ringgit very slow, so I don't think they are going to. There might be a pause there. So when you get ready for an exit here. But they still maintain this 400 plus here. It's 1 ringgit taking slow. I think that's about it. They might not want to move the price up higher. So 2-second ones, and then after that, throw everything out. So fast. So yep, I think that's it. Wait, let me see. Something is not right, not right. Okay, let's get up. Cut loss. 1 tick loss. Because they have no intention to move up. Because from the starting, when they are clearing 1 ringgit, is already showing sign that they have just paused here in the morning for this morning here. Wait, why is it here? Okay, I guess that's about it here today. Not a good trade, even though we have a cut loss, but it's fine. We have loss and, you know, cut loss, but most importantly is we need to minimize our losses. So from here is that we can see the entry, if we use the TO pre-open market, then will be 1 ringgit. So right now, if you like say like 995, like half takes of half take of losses, so that is fine. Okay, half take of losses. So it depends on how much you enter. If let's say you enter like 100 lots, then you are losing about like 50 ringgit. 200, then will be 100 ringgit. So minimize that. Then whenever we make profit in the market, then we can maximize the profit out of it. How do we look into it? Just look at how the big boys that they are attracting buyers, okay, or they want to push the price up higher. Okay, so you can see if let's say you just wait for it, and day trading is like this. If let's say you try to wait for the best time, the best price, you exit at the best price, you want to exit at a certain price in your expectation, then this is what is going to happen. The price just go down to 985. Okay, and then you miss out, you are going to lose more, and then you chase after it. If let's say you like to park at the higher buy price, you are thinking that, oh, okay, you don't want to sell at you don't want to sell immediately out into the buy side, then you can see the price just keep on going down lower and lower. Okay, so this is the reason why when you're doing day trade, why I'm doing this live stream also, to show you when you're doing day trading, you can't park your price at your desired price, or your or at the price that you expected to take profit, because in the market, especially when you comes into day trading, is not a place where you can put your own expectation into it. You need to follow all these big boys, whether they have the intention to move up higher. Now, if let's say they have no intention, then you need to get out quick. Straight away get out from the buy side, throw the shares out into the buy side, so immediately you get it out. So that's the thing here. So once you need to be very sensitive, not to say sensitive, you need to know before the big boys, they have no intention to mark up the price, or they are going to throw the price down lower. First thing is you need to find whether they have the intention to mark up the price or not. So from the very beginning, once the market starts, we can see that the way that they clear 1 ringgit, they have not much of intention to mark up the price, because they are not clearing it within 1 second, they are clearing it with multiple times. So this is more like they are not rushing into it, because if they want to mark up the price, they will just like keep on just mark up the price instantly up until a point that they find that, okay, this is where I am okay to sell. Okay, so where they are okay to actually sell their shares out into those retail investors who park at the lower point, then they just pause it there. Okay, and then they start to sell it down if let's say there are investors coming into at the buy side. All right, so that is how we do day trades here. And if let's say that's why if you are looking into this, like look into the things that we look at it, but we don't use any resistance breakout in any indicators, because if you use that, then you'll be too late. The fastest way for you to make decision is actually from all these code movement, transaction details here, buy, sell, queue changes. So these are not included in the indicators, or not included in the resistance breakout or support rebound. So that's why you need to learn how this transaction it is. If let's say you want to look into you want to improve your trading returns or your result. Okay, so improving your trading result is not doesn't mean that you just make profit. We need to know how to limit our losses as well. So looking into this, you know that you can actually react faster by knowing that they have no intention to mark up the price. So you are able to react to it and minimize the losses into a break even, or maybe just half takes of losses. So if you're waiting for indicators, the indicator cross, and then only you find that that is a confirmation the price already pulled down a lot, or maybe wait for the support broken, then the price is already down a lot, so you cannot exit at the higher point, which you can minimize the losses. So that is why it's important for us to know how this big boys actually works. Okay, all right. So today I think that's about it. We have nothing much to continue to look into it because looking at the market right now is there's a lot of stocks that is going down. So I don't think in the morning they will do any of the much of the price markup because retail investor will try to stay out from it because they are not they are not they have no intention to, you know, retail investor have no intention to come into the market right now. Okay, so yep, that's it here, and thank you very much for joining in, and I'll see you guys again on next week, or if let's say I might see you like in the tonight for our webinar to look into the top active list. Okay, so you can go to our website to find out more, to register, go to the event and sign up for the webinar class tonight. All right, so that's about it here. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Brown and Search. True traders react to the market.